In this video, I'm gonna turn this completely junk piece of mahogany into an amazing clock that uses a reused watch. Here we go. So starting off, I'm gonna identify the wood and tell you how it's kind of a junk piece. So as you can see already, it has like this splits on the sides and the corners and this like massive hole for its sides. And I said I'm gonna make a clock with it, and you already saw the end product in the intro. It looks pretty good. It's obviously gonna be so different from this right now. So the clock's gonna be here. So this side, right here. So in the corner, I'm going for a rustic look. So this clock has a brass. It's actually from an old watch, so I shows it. There's also an airplane spinning around. So let's get right into it. Most of this video will be a time lapse and just experimenting with different types of videos. So let's go. As you can see, I finished carving out the depth and the edges here. Hey guys, it's been a few days now, so right now I'm gonna use my Dremel to carve out this indent into the wood so that we can press in and friction fit the watch face. So now let's go do that and head on with the time lapse. Here we go. So now the time lapse is over, and you can see that our clock is fitted in. These gaps in the edge is trying to simulate erosion, because this is supposed to be like a ruined old clock, and this is supposed to be kind of ancient style. That's why I sandpapered the edges to look kind of old and roughed out. So now the next step is to I'm not gonna glue it in. I'm gonna finish the parts with sandpaper, and I guess we're done, because that's basically it. It's not that much detail to it. I might add some leaves as to be like an overgrowth around it. So yeah, let's go do the finishing touch and we'll be finished. So as you can see, I finished it up. I added the little leaves and undergrowth that is kind of like supposed to be like old and like ancient, and it just like mossy, and it mossed up over the years, that kind of theme. And so I finished it with some stain, and I think it's basically done. It looks pretty nice. I like the design of it, like the leaves pop. And I also accidentally fogged up the glass a bit, so that makes it also look old. And already the map behind the clock face, it actually looks like an antique, so I really like that. That will really help with the theme. So also at the back right here, it has the same style. As you can see, more green undergrowth, and there you can see that the parts that is carved, which is like the corners and that, as you seen in the first time lapse, it appears a bit lighter when you stain it because it's the inside of the wood. And I kind of left the outer edges like on top and also on the front, right? I left it uncarved and sanded, so it's kind of darker, and that really contrasts it, or else it's just gonna be like dark. So I'm gonna show you the before and after right after this, and that'll be the end of the video. Please vote in the polls, like in the corner, if the polls are still working for YouTube. But if there's no poll, that means it's not working anymore. So can you go vote in the comment section if the time-lapse version of a video is better or not, so I can know what you guys like and I can make better videos that suit you guys. So thanks for watching and see you next time at Hat Workshop. Yay! If you have any ideas or any comments or suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section and leave a like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!